Hi guys, Nicole Kernohan here. As an entrepreneur for many years, I love this one section about the fear of the defeats that we will meet along our journey. So this is from the book, The Alchemist, Paulo Coelho, and this is just from the introduction. Really quick little section, but it's so powerful. I've read it so many times. So he says, we who fight for our dream suffer far more when it doesn't work out, because we cannot fall back on the old excuse, oh, well, I didn't really want it anyway. We do want it. And we know that we have staked everything on it. And we know that the path of our personal calling is no easier than any other path, except that our whole heart is in this journey. And we warriors of life, we must be prepared to have patience in difficult times and to know that the universe is conspiring in our favor, even though we may not understand how. So I ask myself, are defeats necessary? Well, necessary or not, they happen. When we first begin fighting for our dream, we have no experience and we make many mistakes. The secret of life, though, is to fall 7 times and get up 8 times. So why is it so important to live our personal calling if we're only going to suffer more than other people? Well, because once we've overcome the defeats, and we always do, we are filled with a greater sense of euphoria and confidence. In the silence of our hearts, we know that we are proving ourselves worthy of the miracle of life. Each day, each hour is part of the good fight. We start to live with enthusiasm and pleasure. And he goes on to share some other concepts in here, but that little portion about overcoming the fear of defeats is so powerful, and I just hope that was of value. I hope you're welcome to re-listen to this over and over. There's a few really key nuggets in that message that hopefully pick us up and help us to keep going. No one falls to success. We pick up, we learn, we evolve, we grow, we change, and it's an exciting and challenging path, but as long as we're in the flow of it, it can be really, really powerful. Okay, thanks so much. If this added value, if you found it interesting, you're welcome to like, comment, share, subscribe, and we actually even have breakthrough call. Myself or my team would be happy to chit chat sometime. The link is in the description down below. Okay, thanks so much, guys, and we'll talk to you soon.